Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will explain you how to register on apprenticeship portal. So what you have to do, you will just type the apprenticeship in Google and you will get this first link. And or you can just type the apprenticeshipindia.gov.in. You visit this website. Then in right corner you can find this uh, login register menu. There you select the candidate and then you select the register as a candidate. Then you fill these basic details, your mobile number and your email ID. And in third section, you have to confirm your email ID. Then after entering your captcha, you click on the register button. So these are the three details you have to enter. You don't need to click on this ITI student. This is checkbox. So this checkbox is for ITI student only, for trade apprentice. So after you click on this register button, you will get the OTP in your mobile number. So this OTP you submit here. You will get a registration code that will start with A0. So you take a screenshot of that and save it and share it with your college coordinator, and they will share it to LSC. And you have to note it down also. So in this pop-up, it is written that activation link will expire on below mentioned date. You what is there, you will get a activation link on your email, so you have to log into your email ID and click on that activation. I'll show you how you can go to. If you are not getting that email, you please check it in your spam box, or you select it all mail option, so you may get it. Or sometime maybe technical issue in the portal, you may not receive it at that time. You try it again sometime or next day, then you will get it. If it's still you are not getting, then you reach out to our apprenticeship team. You can call the Akash and reach out to him. So this is how you will get the email. So you have to click on activate. Once you click on this activate button, your profile is now activated. Now you can log into your profile. Your registration has completed now. Now you have to log into your profile and complete your profile. So select the login as a candidate, and then you enter your registered email ID, enter the captcha. After you enter the captcha and submit it, and then you will get a OTP on your mobile. You enter that and log into your. Now you are logged into your profile. You can see the pop-up window that without Aadhaar seeding bank account, you will not receive the DBT amount. So you have to ensure that you have a Aadhaar seeded bank account. If your bank account is not seeded with Aadhaar, you go to your bank branch and ask the bank professionals to link your Aadhaar, seed your Aadhaar with your bank account. Otherwise, you will not receive the DBT throughout the year during the apprenticeship. And you can see that the dashboard of your profile. So it's a 0% complete. So what you have to do, you have to fill this all the details to complete your profile, and when once you complete it, you will show that it's 100% complete. First step in this process is to complete your eKYC. All these things are there. Based on that, they have even weightage how much your profile will be completed. So once you complete eKYC, your profile will be completed 20%. You have to fill your Aadhaar card and it your you will receive an OTP on a mobile number that is linked to your Aadhaar card. So ensure that your Aadhaar card is linked to your personal mobile number. If your Aadhaar card is linked to your father's or mother's email mobile number, then that OTP will go to their mobile number and you have to get the OTP from them to this KYC. Once you will get the OTP and then you verify that after filling this OTP, your eKYC is done now. Now you have to fill these basic details. You have to select your district, and from this parent's name, you have to remove the DO. You just keep your parent name as without any. You get the option to change your profile picture also if you don't want to keep your Aadhaar card profile picture. And you have to select here the relationship also for your parents whose name is coming in the eKYC. After this, your eKYC is done and your profile is completed 30%. So after that, you have to update your bank details. These are the basic details you have to fill here. IFSC code you have to fill, your bank name and account holder name, everything will come. Your bank name, some of the details will come automatically. You have to enter your account number and then account type, saving account or current account. In most of the cases, it will be saving account only. You have to fill these details. You have to select here if your bank account is seated with Aadhaar. You have to uh, select the yes option, and you can read this line also. I am aware that DBT amount will be disbursed to Aadhaar seated account only. So this is very important that you uh, seed your Aadhaar, seed your bank account with your Aadhaar card, and you have to tick on this checkbox also. Otherwise, you will not be able to submit this bank details. After filling all your bank details, you can submit this section. 50% completed. Now you can enter your education qualification. So your basic education qualification are there. You have to fill all your qualifications, and you are doing your BBA. So you have to fill this graduation qualification also, and you can upload your semester one or semester two mark sheet also. So, but whatever document you are uploading, that should have a official seal of your college or your if you are uploading your mark sheet of 12, then you should have a official seal of your respective board. So after you fill the details, you upload all these documents, you submit. Then 70% complete. Your profile will it will show that your profile is 70% complete. Then a few more details are required that you have to fill, and after that, it will be your profile will be complete. mother, and your ID proof you have to fill your ID. You have to upload here your PAN card, then your domicile, then your address, category, all these basic details you have to update here. You have to upload your signature also. After filling all these details, your profile is completed. So this is the complete process of registering on apprenticeship portal and completing your profile. So after this, you can search the apprenticeship opportunities. What are the apprenticeship opportunities available in your region? Rest, you can use many filters. They are available on the portal. You can search the opportunities by your sector, your industry. You can search by the company name. You can search by your region. So and after that, you can apply to those opportunities available on the apprenticeship portal. I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can reach out to our apprenticeship team and we will resolve the issue.